Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download Alibaba application on computer. So how to download Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to your computer or laptop browser application. And this is the initial display on the browser. In the search menu, type Alibaba. Well, here many choices appear. Tap this Alibaba. And we'll enter the initial Alibaba display. Next, just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a tap icon 3 dots. And a menu will appear scrolling down. There are many choices here. Tap the CAS. Save and share menu. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the Install as app menu. Well, it will appear like this. Tap Create. Well, it's finished. Next, return to the main page of the computer. Well, you can see here that the Alibaba application has appeared here. So that's it, tutorial how to download Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.